Hi, welcome back to Bluebonnet Learning. I'm Mrs. Perkins. Today we're going to go over 2nd grade, Module 3, Lesson 18. Our objective today is model and use language to tell about 1 more and 1 less, 10 more and 10 less, and 100 more and 100 less. The materials you will need today are an unlabeled place value chart and your place value discs. I'll give you a second to get those ready. Terminology. The words we will be using today are how many more or less, how much more and how much less, and more than and less than. Okay, take out your place value chart and your place value discs. Show me 110. Okay, nice job. Now, use the tens discs to count by tens up to 150. Okay, now let me hear you count. We were at 110, and then you went 120, 130, 140, and 150. Good job. Now, add another tens discs. Nice. Now, how much do you have? What is 10 more than 150? That's right, 160. Let's use this sentence frame to say what we just did. 10 more than 150 is 160. Now your turn, you say it. Nice job. Now, add another tens disc. How many do you have now? That's right, you have 170. Let's use our sentence frame to say what we just did. Say it with me. 10 more than 160 is 170. Very good. Here's the list we just made. We went 150, 160, 170, and 180. Turn and talk to your partner. How are these numbers the same and how are they different? All right, wrap up your conversations. There was some good partner talk there. What I heard a lot of you say was, the ones place is always the same. We have a digit of 0 in the ones place. The hundreds place didn't change either. That's always the same. We never changed from 100. What's different is the tens place. So when we do 10 more, the tens place is the place value that changes. Now, on your place value chart again, you should have 180. If you don't, make sure you have 180 now. Now, I want you to count by ones until you get to 188. All right, your place value charts look good. So tell me which numbers you counted by so I can write them down. We were at 180, and you're using your ones discs now to count by ones. So what comes next? 181, 182, 183, 184, 185, 186, 187, and 188. Nice job. So let's use our sentence frames now with 1 more than. So let's start with 180, and we went to 181. So our sentence frame, we can say 1 more than 180 is 181. Let's do the next one together. 1 more than 181 is 182. Now let me hear you say the next one. We're going from 182 and 1 more. Use our sentence frame. Excellent. What if I went from 187? What is 1 more? Can you use our sentence frame and say that for me? Lovely. You said one more than 187 is 188. Nice job. Here are the two lists that we've made. In this list, we are adding one more. So we could say one more or one less than a number. In this column, we were doing 10 more. Turn and talk to your partner. What's the same and what's different in our list of one more and our list of 10 more? That's right. We already talked about when we're adding 10 more, only our tens place value changes. When we're adding one more than a number, which digit or which place value is changing? That's right. Only the ones place changes when we are doing one more. Our tens place stays the same and our hundreds place stays the same. Now, let's do 100 more. Write 188 on your place value chart. What place value do you think is going to change when we do 100 more? Okay, let's see if you're right. Add 100 place value disk to make 100 more. What is your new number? Good, we have 288. Let's use our sentence frame. Now we have 100 more than 188 is 288. What happens to the ones place there? Nothing. And what happened to the tens place? It stayed the same too. Which place value changed? That's right, only the hundreds place. Now, add 100 more. What number do we have now? That's right, 388. Let's use the sentence frame again to show what you just did. 100 more than 288 is 388. Let's do one more. Add one more hundreds place value disk. What number do you have now? Good, 488. Turn to your partner and whisper our sentence frame showing what we just did. Nice job. Now, build 275 on your place value chart. This time we're going to do 100 less, 10 less, and 1 less. So let's do this together. Let's start with 1 less. What do you think you're going to do with your place value disks this time? That's right, if we're doing less, we're going to remove some or take them away. When we were doing more, we added more. Now we're going to take them away. So we are at 275. What is 1 less than 275? Good, you have 274. Tell me what you just did using the sentence frame. 1 less than 275 is 274. Very good. Okay, make 275 again. So put that ones back. Now, show me what to do to make 10 less. What did you do to your ones place? Nothing. What did you do to the tens place? Good, you took one away. And what did you do to the hundreds place? That's right, it stays the same. When we're doing 10 less, only the tens place value changes. So if you were at 275 and you took one away, what is 10 less? Awesome, 265. Use this sentence frame and whisper to your partner the action that we just did. Awesome. Now make 275 again. Now we're going to do 100 less. Turn and talk to your partner. Which place value will change here? That's right, you guys are on it today. Since we're doing 100 less, only our hundreds place will change. So what number did you make? That's right, 175. Now whisper to your partner using the sentence frame. What did we just do? That's right, I heard you guys say 100 less than 275 is 175. Okay, put your place value discs and your place value chart away. Now I want you to only look at mine. What number is represented on my place value chart? That's right, I have 427. Now you're going to have to watch what I do to tell me which sentence frame we're going to use and how I'm changing my number. Okay, get ready. Now what number did I make? Look at our sentence frames. Did I do 1 more or 1 less, 10 more or 10 less, or 100 more or 100 less? Talk to your partner. That's right, I did 1 more because I added 1 and it was only to my 1's place. So what number do I have now? Okay, I'm at 428. And you guys used your sentence frame. You said 1 more than 427 is 428. Okay, watch what I do next. Now what do I have? That's right, I have 429. So which one did I do? Which place value did I change? Good, only the 1's place. So now I have 429. And our sentence frame is 1 more than 428 is 429. Okay, get ready for the next one. Turn and talk to your partner about what I just did and which sentence frame we should use. That's right, now I did 10 more. So our number was 429. Which place value did I change? That's right, my 10's place. So which sentence frame will you use? Let me hear you say it. Good. 10 more than 429 is 439, and that's my new number. Okay, watch again. What's my number now? That's right, 449. And very good. I already hear you guys using the sentence frame. You're catching on. 10 more than 439 is 449. Get ready. What change did I make now? That's right, it's more. Which place value did I change? Good, the hundreds place. So let's use this sentence frame. 100 more than 449 is how much? Good, 549. So when I write the numbers, do you see how only the hundreds place value is changing? My 10's and 1's stay the same. Let me make another change now. What do I have now? Good, 649. And which sentence frame will you use? That's right. 100 more than 549 is 649. Now, what if I went to 650? What's changing in that number? If we just look at the numbers, the 1's place value changes and the 10's place value changes. But think about it. If we're just counting and we're at 649, what comes after that? That's right, 650. So when we go past a 10, we have to rename or regroup. So really, 649 and 650 are 1 away. So we will use the sentence frame of 1 more than 649 is 650. Now, what if I went backwards with all of these? Turn and talk to your partner. How would that change? That's right. Now we're going to be using the less than sentence frames. So let's use those. 1 less than 650 is 649. Now what changed from 649 to 549? That's right, it's 100 less. So let's use that whole sentence frame. 100 less than 649 is 549. Now, I want you and your partner to tell the sentence frames to each other for the remaining sequence of numbers that we wrote. We stopped right here at 549, and I want you to stop at 427, naming all of the changes using our sentence frames. As you do that, I'm going to walk around and listen to make sure you're saying them correctly. Let's review our objective today. Did you model and use language to tell about 1 more and 1 less, 10 more and 10 less, and 100 more and 100 less? Up next, you'll work on your problem set with your teacher. Bye, see you next time.